Perfumes are filled with nasty chemicals that you don't want to be spraying on yourself every day. Katie and Shyla here from Simply Earth, and we're going to teach you how to make your own body spray using essential oils. It's natural and it's toxin-free. If you want to learn how to use essential oils in the easiest way possible, check out our recipe box.
And shout out to all the subscribers who are watching right now.
For this recipe, you will need a half teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, 1 drop of lava, our new essential oil blend that's energizing and uplifting, and it just fills you with joy. 1 drop of happy joy, a blend that'll get you doing a happy dance. And you'll also want a small spray bottle like this one, which comes in our recipe box. You'll also want some distilled water. To start, we're going to add our carrier oil and essential oil to our spray bottle. We're adding carrier oil to it to help dilute the essential oil. To start, we'll add our half teaspoon of coconut oil. And this is fractionated coconut oil. It's been processed to remain liquid at room temperature. This is different than regular coconut oil. Once that's in, you can add your essential oil. So we're just doing 1 drop of lava and 1 drop of happy joy. Now we can just give it a swirl to mix it and then fill it the rest of the way with your distilled water. Distilled water is going to have a better shelf life than tap water. If you think you're going to use this really fast, you can go ahead and use tap water, but distilled water is better for cosmetic products. All right, once that's done, you just shake it and spray it.
Ooh, it looks like lava in there.
It does. And then you have a Happy Day body spray. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
Certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth, and we can't wait for you to try this recipe. Let us know how it goes in the comments.
See you later.
Subscribe to our recipe box where you'll get everything you need for this box.
Or if you're a subscriber, just check us out. Oh, that was weird. But like...